Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. For this video, we will see how to invoice a customer for a completed project. So let's go ahead. I'm right now in the project manager view on Business Central. So you can click on projects and this will open up a list of all of the projects that you currently have in your Business Central platform. So this is where you will have the different projects. So if we open one of them, you will see we have all of the information related to that specific project. So the different lines, which means that the different tasks that are included in that specific project. Now, if you want to know how to create a project from scratch, I did a whole video on that. The link will be in the description below. So don't forget to watch it and then come back right here so that we can see the next step, which is the invoice to send to the customer once the project has been completed. Now, if you want to check more about the lines and the project lines, all of that is included in that video. So make sure to check it out. So let's go ahead now and see about how we can go and do the invoice. So let's say we are going to do the invoice for the first one, which is AC installation. So you can come up here and click on home and then click on create project sales invoice, and this will open up this window where you can then select the information you want for your invoice. So we have the option here to create an invoice for project or project task. The difference is if you want to create one for a project, that will be for a completed project with all the tasks that have been completed, and for a project task is for a specific task that is included in a project in itself. So let's go ahead and do project. Then for the project number, let's go ahead and do EC installation. You can also filter here your project task number if you want to, and you can also filter by the planning date if you want to. So once you've added all of those information, you can click on OK and it will generate an invoice for you. So as you can see here, one invoice has been created. Click OK. And so you can go back to your home page and click on sales and purchases up here and then click on sales invoices. Once you click on sales invoices and you scroll down, you will see it has all of the invoice that has been done in Business Central right here. So the one that we just did is this one, the McLaren Canada. So if you open it up, you will be able to see here it is. So this is all of the information that was present in the project based on the specific task that was included in that project. So now we have the sales invoice that we can send to the customer. This is a great way for you to do project and sales invoice at the same time. Now, one thing that you need to consider is a quantity here, which you cannot change because it is attached to an existing project. So if you would want to change the quantity, it's honestly would have to be creating a new project from scratch or just not attaching a project to the sales invoice here. So once you've checked and make sure that all of the numbers are correct, you can go ahead and click on post up here. Yes, and there you have it. Your invoice has been posted. And you can also, if you want to check if the project has been invoiced, so you can go back to your projects and open up the project that you've invoiced. So in this case, AC installation, and then you can click on project here and then click on statistics and you will see all of the invoice that have been posted or that have been already done for that specific project. So you will see here we have the price, the budget, the usage, and the billable, and the invoice, the amount that has been invoiced. So you have access to all of that information here. There you have it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Just a quick video to show you how we can create an invoice with an existing project that has been completed and send it to a customer. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.